Hello.
Welcome to the Cloudy Man Mini Show! Look at my hands. It's raining. What's up?
Hello, I'm here. An umbrella man.
Yeah, he is protecting me from the rain.
Ah.
Aray, kay katong. So, what's
For
up?
this, I think I deserve one big meal.
Wow! Okay, I will give you one big meal.
Overtook my breakfast.
I,
Plus, it's late for lunch.
I thought you have a meeting with lunch.
No, I came late. So I proceeded straight to my office because of pending documents request.
So you did not attend the meeting.
I did not attend the eating.
Okay, that's good. We have to maintain our health by
But
intermittent
somehow I met
fasting.
the engineers from office of the building official
So,
checking the university
so
because
that's
they are our alumni also.
mm, congratulations
Uh,
on still able to do your work.
yes, of course. We should be multitask.
Multitasker Christopher. Okay, so we're free from the rain. Annyeong. It's always annyeong.